Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check Zoho mail storage. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your Zoho mail inbox. This is your main workspace, and it's where you'll begin the process of checking your storage. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to open your profile settings. Inside the profile settings, scroll down until you see a section labeled Storage or Storage Information. This section gives you a visual overview of how much storage you've used, typically displayed as a percentage. It's designed to make it easy to understand how much of your total email storage quota has been utilized. If you're getting close to your limit, Zoho may also provide recommendations on how to manage or upgrade your storage. And that's it. So that is how you can check Zoho mail storage. So that's all for this video. Thanks.